I'm in my new car. Got the radio installed from the other car, got the subs in. Everything's the same except for the door speakers. This car actually has 6x9s in the doors and on the rear deck there. They're Pioneer 4-ways and they sound freaking awesome. This car, it originally had stock tweeters, but I cut those out. They weren't sounding too good. This car is a 2006 Dodge Magnum RT with a 5.7 liter Hemi, and so it's quick and it's loud. Best of both worlds. Let's get another song here. Oh. This one's loud. Probably pushing them a little bit harder than I should there, but whatever. I'm actually thinking about moving to E15s here soon and building a box for those. Not sure yet. I might go 412s with the same E12s, but might go the 15. I'm not sure. But this is good enough for now. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. Let me know what you think in the comments. In person it's a lot louder than it was in the other car. It's ridiculous. I love this car. I love this system. Like I said, might be going to 15s in the near future and building another box for those, but right now this is plenty loud enough. Hopefully I don't get in trouble with the cops or anything. Probably not going to happen, but fingers crossed. Catch you guys later.